In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your NinjaTrader account to Tradingview. Before we start, make sure you already have a Tradingview account and you can sign in. If you're brand new to the platform, take a moment to create an account and confirm you can log in. You'll also need your NinjaTrader login details handy. These are the same credentials you use for your NinjaTrader account dashboard. Keep them secure and never share them. Open Tradingview in your browser or desktop app, then head to the main charting area. This is sometimes referred to as supercharts, and it's where you'll do your analysis and manage broker connections. If you aren't already signed in, log into Tradingview so you can access the broker panel. At the bottom of the chart, look for the trading panel. It's a tab that sits alongside things like the strategy tester. Click it to open the list of available brokers. You'll see a grid of integrations that Tradingview supports. If you don't see what you need right away, use the scroll bar to browse, or switch the view to all brokers to reveal the full list. This is important because some connections are grouped or hidden behind filters, and the All Brokers view makes everything visible. Find NinjaTrader in the list and select it. Tradingview will prompt you to choose the connection type. Pick Live if you're connecting to your funded trading account, or Demo if you're just testing things out. Demo mode is a great way to confirm your setup without risking real capital. Choosing the right mode here ensures your orders route to the correct environment. Next, enter your NinjaTrader username and password. These should match what you use on the NinjaTrader account dashboard. Take a moment to double-check for typos, especially if you're copying and pasting. If you have two-factor authentication turned on with NinjaTrader, be prepared to complete that as well. Click Connect. Tradingview will establish the connection and, once successful, you'll see NinjaTrader listed as connected in the trading panel. If you encounter an error, verify that you're using the correct credentials, that you selected all brokers to find the official NinjaTrader connector, and that your internet connection is stable. Sometimes simply closing and reopening the trading panel helps refresh the list. That's it. You're now connected, and Tradingview can communicate with your NinjaTrader account according to the mode you selected. Take a moment to confirm the connection status, and you're ready to proceed with your charting and trade management workflow inside Tradingview.